Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are thinking of learning TypeScript this year and looking for some excellent resources like book, courses, tutorial, then you have come to the right place. In the last few videos, I have shared some of the best Angular framework tutorials and courses, and today I am going to share some of the best TypeScript online courses you can join if by yourself. Many programmers and web developers are learning TypeScript because of its powerful syntax and advanced object-oriented features, and more importantly to develop Angular-based applications. TypeScript can be viewed as JavaScript with type, which means you can now use the power of string, integer, boolean, and some other static types. This will reduce accidental errors like storing integer variables into string or vice versa, which makes your code more readable. But before diving in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get more updates regarding the new videos. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin with our first course, that is Understanding TypeScript, that is offered by Udemy's platform. This is an excellent course to start learning TypeScript from scratch. It goes beyond the usage of TypeScript to Angular 2 and explain the basics, that's like why TypeScript is better than JavaScript and how exactly it works. This course is very well structured and teaches you everything from installing TypeScript to writing fully functional code like TypeScript, React.js and Angular. This course teaches you how to use TypeScript and its advanced features like types, ES6 support, classes, modules, interfaces and etc. You will learn how to write better codes using types. The second course on the list is TypeScript, the complete developer's guide. This is the another amazing Udemy's course to learn TypeScript from scratch. Unlike the previous course, this is the best TypeScript courses for both beginners as well as experienced web developer. You can use this Udemy's course to learn TypeScript and from scratch. And if you already know TypeScript, you can use this course to fill the gaps in your learning. This course focuses on object-oriented programming with TypeScript. It forces you to think object-oriented and gives you an opportunity to master TypeScript by learning popular design patterns and building complex projects. This course also includes React and Express.js. The third course on the list is TypeScript Masterclasses and Freebook. This is the another excellent course to learn TypeScript. It's more hands-on than previous class, as you will also do a project by building not REST API in TypeScript and query it with Angular 6, the latest version of Google's Angular framework. Similar to the previous course, this is also focuses on object-oriented code using TypeScript. Still, it also touches more practical aspects like debugging TypeScript and building a small application on the go. The fourth on the list is Introduction to TypeScript Development. This is one more course on Udemy's platform on TypeScript. Before buying any TypeScript course, if you connect with the instructor, you should buy this one because Jordan Huggins has done an excellent job explaining critical concepts with non-trivial examples. This course starts with installing TypeScript using npm and then explain basic syntax and structure. You will learn about TypeScript closure and object-oriented programming using TypeScript. In short, it is an excellent online TypeScript, not much different than the previous two courses, but it was just I found this instructor better than others. He explains small details which probably other instructor leaves out. The last but not the least is TypeScript Fundamental. I have attended a couple of courses on TypeScript and this is one of the most complete and practical course. It starts with an introduction and explains why to use TypeScript before going into the details of TypeScript features like syntax, keywords and code hierarchy. Once you got the basic, this course moved to the tooling and framework, ID and Sublime Text and other valuable details you need to know to do professional development using TypeScript. So that's all about the best 5 courses to learn TypeScript online. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like. If yes, so don't forget to share, comment and like the video.